Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to fix error 0x80010135, then let's look at the solutions. So basically this error pops up when it shows that the file name is folder name is too long. The compressed file, the name is too long. So what happens is when you're trying to extract it, it will keep adding to the names and it will reach a limit where it cannot add anymore. So what we can do is we can right click, rename, and we can reduce the name of the folder as short as possible and then try to extract it. Here, extract, and here, there you go, and it worked. Now in the case that it doesn't work, which is very rare, then what we can do is we can extract this folder through an other extractor like 7-zip or WinRAR. So I hope this video solved the issue. If so, please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.